Let me show you a quick unboxing of POCO F8 Ultra. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside the box, what accessories do we get, and quickly how the phone looks like. So let's unpack it. Of course, over here we have a paper box, which we're gonna remove. We can also find our phone. There we go. And we're gonna take a look at the phone just in a second. I actually bought the jeans style, I guess. We're gonna move on to this just in a second. As I said, first let's take a look inside the box instead of this paper box in order to see what we can find inside. So let's open the box. There we go. Of course, we have the SIM eject tool. And not only that, we can also find a bunch of other stuff in here as well. So we can find the USB cable. It is USB-A to USB-C. We have some papers, of course. We can see the IP rating in here, for example. We have the quick start guide and warranty card. We have the safety information as well. And we have the case. We have a protective case, a pretty simple case that we can use at least temporarily until we get something better. So we can use that for now. It looks pretty solid too, so maybe you won't have to change it if you don't want to. And that is pretty much it. This is all we get inside the box. Now, let's also take a look at the phone. Let me actually move this to a side for a moment. I'm gonna put this to the side as well. Let's take a look how the phone looks like. So we have this jeans filling, this jeans material. It is, of course, not really a jeans material, but this is how it looks like. We have this huge island with cameras and the flashlight over here in the middle. We have the Bose speaker. On the right side we have, of course, our buttons, the power button and volume buttons. Here's how the front looks like, nothing really special. On the left side there is nothing. At the top we have speakers. At the bottom we also have speakers in here. We have the USB-C port, the microphone, and the SIM tray. And there we go, that's pretty much it. I have to say, this material feels really good to touch. Something definitely quite unique in this case. And that is pretty much it. So as you can see, this is everything we get. In my case, of course, I don't have the power adapter. But of course, this is the, let's say, the global version, or at least the European version, which never really includes chargers anymore. In some other regions, the charger may still be there. I believe at the back we should be able to see. There we go. At the back we can see if the power adapter is included. So in case you are not sure, you can always try to take a look at that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.